Hello everyone, I am Rakibul Hassan Khan, Assistant Professor of Assam Downtown University. In my previous video, I have discussed about care of spectacle glasses, and today I am going to discuss about parts of spectacle frame. Here, most of us use spectacles, so we should know the name of spectacle parts. Let us start to know about parts of spectacle frame. Number 1, temples. Long arms on the sides of the frame that extend from the hinges and over the ears to keep the glasses on the wearer's face. Temples is from here to here. This total length is a temple. It means temples is the long arms which hold the spectacle over the ear and keep the glasses on the face. Next, number 2, hinge. Hinge means this part. This part is a hinge. This part. Movable joints found on the inside of the frame which allows the temples to fold inward. It means it is the foldable joint between temple and frame. Next, number 3, lenses. Lenses means this one, this part, this lens. Clear or tinted material placed inside the eye wares or plastic frames that have our chosen magnification throughout the lens. Lenses commonly come in clear plastic or polycarbonate. It means in this area we will put our prescribed power. Next, number 4, nose pads. Nose pads means this one, this part, nose pad. Small plastic pieces secured under the bridge that rest on your nose and help keep the frame in its proper position while providing comfort and a snug fit. It means nose pad is the small plastic pieces, this one, small plastic pieces which bear most of the weight of the spectacle and helps in proper position of the frame, and it's adjustable as per patient comfort. Next, number 5, top bar. This one, top bar. Top bar found above the bridge that connects the two eyewears. Eyewears means this is eyewears. This one. this one eyewear, and provides extra weight bearing support. A top bar is most commonly found on aviator styles, but not all frame shapes have them. It means top bar is connect the two spectacle eyewears. This is one spectacle, this is another eyewear. So these two is connected by top bar, and it's bear extra weight of the glasses. Next, number 6, breeze. This one, this small bar, breeze. The arched piece in the front center of the frame that rests on the wearer's nose and connects the eyewears. The breeze is designed to bear most of the glasses weight. It means it is the part which connect both the spectacle eyewears. Eyewears is this one, already I said, eyewear, and it's bear most of the glasses weight. Next, number 7, pad arms. Adjustable attachment, this one. Here, this one. Adjustable attachment that hold the nose pad in place. They allow room for adjustment so the glasses fit the wearer's natural face shape. Not all frames have pad arms. This feature is most commonly found on metalware frames. It means pad arms is a part which holds the nose pad. This is nose pad, and pad arm is hold the nose pad. And because of pad arms, nose pad is adjustable. Next, number 8, temple tips. Temple tips is this one. Temple tips. Plastic pieces that cover the temple ends where the temples rest behind the ears. They provide extra comfort to the wearer, especially on glasses with metal frames, also referred to as earpieces. It means it is the end part of the temple. This is total is temple, and the end part is temple tips, which made up of plastic, and it rests behind the ears to provide better comfort. Next, number 9, screws. Tiny metal fasteners found at hinges used to connect the end pieces to the temples. Sometimes screws are also found on the bridge to hold nose pads in place. Here, it means screw helps to connect the joint hinges. This one hinge, and temple. This one hinge and temple. Connect by screw. Next, number 10, end pieces. Small parts of the front frame that extend outward from the lenses to connect the front frame to the hinge. End piece is this part, only this part. This part is hinge. It means it is the connect between frame and hinge as shown as the picture. Frame and hinge. This one hinge and this one frame. So connect by end piece. Next, number 11, eyewears. The front portion of the reading glasses where lenses are inserted and held in place, also referred to as rims. Eyewears are most commonly found on metal frames. It means eyewears mainly hold the lenses. This one. Eyewear mainly hold the lens, and it's commonly found on metal frames. Next, number 12, bifocal. Our bifocal reading glasses have unmagnified lenses which also contain inserts with the magnification of our choice in the lower portion of the lenses. Here, bifocal power we will put in this area. It means bifocal means patient have two power, one power for distance and another power for near, which is located down part of the glass. This one. So guys, hope you all have understood the parts of spectacle frame. Thank you.